In this question, it says that given that n can be any integer such that n greater than 1, prove that n square minus n is never an odd number. So let's assume that n equals to 2, since it can be any integer, so I just randomly pick 2. So if we use the formula n square minus n, and I replace n with 2, I get 4 minus 2, which is 2, not an odd number. Then I assume that n is 7, which is an odd number this time. So I do 7 square minus 7, 49 minus 7, which is 42. Once again, not an odd number, which means that it is true that n square minus n can never be an odd number.